Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. Yes, today we are starting this very important topic. It's a grade 10 topic, which is called electrostatics. You have to know that electrostatics, as the word sounds, it comes from two words. It comes from electro, which means charges, and static means not moving. So what does it actually mean? It simply means that electrostatics deals with the stationary charges, which are not moving. Yeah, so comes the question. It says that fill in the missing words in the passage below about electrostatics. Okay, it says that all matter, whether it's solid, liquid, or gases, consists of atoms. Inside the atoms, there are dash charged particles called that, found inside the nucleus. Okay, yeah, inside the nucleus, which particles are there? Okay, if you analyze the atom, you'll find that inside the nucleus there are two particles. There are protons and the neutrons. And the protons are positively charged. Neutrons, they do not have charge. So when they say inside the nucleus so obviously you know what we are talking about. So let's go through it again. Inside the atom, there are dash charged particles called that, found inside the nucleus. So by virtue of found inside the nucleus, there are two candidates, protons and neutrons. But remember, neutrons are not charged. So obviously, inside the atom, they are charged, which are they? Positively. Yeah, positively charged particles. What do they call? We call them protons. And dash charged particles called that, found outside the nucleus. Now we are talking about outside the nucleus. So outside the nucleus, there's only one candidate. And what is the candidate? It is electrons. Electrons are found outside the nucleus and they are negatively charged. So let's answer this part. Protons found inside the nucleus and dash charged. What are they? Negatively. So negatively charged particles called what? Electrons. Found outside the nucleus in the orbitals or energy levels. Okay. The atoms are neutral. Yes, atoms are neutral despite of having charged particles. Why? Because the number of positive protons are equal to the number of negatively charged electrons. So when the protons are equal to electrons, then the atom becomes neutral. Yeah, so comes this question as a follow-up on part A. Okay, the question says, name the particles marked X, Y, and Z. Okay, let's look at Z. What is Z? Z is pointing to that positive P, which are protons. Y is pointing on that negative E, which are electrons. And the X is pointing on that N, which are neutrons. Okay, it is very apparent here that inside the nucleus, we have two particles. We have neutrons, which are not having the charge, and the protons, which are positively charged. And outside, in these orbitals, what do we have? We have electrons. And so comes this question. It says, name the part of the nucleus marked P and Q. Okay, so what are those parts? Okay, technically, you need to know that there are two parts of the nucleus. Nucleus is made up of two major parts. The central part, this central part, which we call nucleus, which is P, and these outer lines, which we call orbitals. Or energy levels. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. We are simply the best. Bye-bye.